Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet sweater design. Crochet sweaters are a great way to learn new stitches with a picture deal. Offer time to make small sweater design. These comprehensive lists for the best crochet sweater patterns. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker. The design for crochet every day. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Most crochet sweater pattern on the blog use basic beginner friendly stitches such as a single crochet or half double crochet stitches. These crochet sweater designs are simple to make and will look stylish and unique on your little one. These crochet sweater design pattern are having to all fabulous design from easy. A crochet sweater can be simple or elaborate as you want. All sweaters have this common design for use. These crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on get them make shine more and more. These colorful patterns used on your party function and everyday patterns you crochet looking are so beautiful and unique sweaters. So here this sweet idea for creating this sweater winning design of a using custom colors shaded yarn crochet pattern design. The crochet sweater pattern are designed with simple stitches, so these patterns should work up fast. This design uses big crochet pattern that could be worked in a elaborate natural color shade show. This is the pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. Share this video to your friend and family member. So friends, be connected with me and remember, me in your brave. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.